Yun, may bago na naman tayong interview sa ating darating na panahon na interview. May bagong question naman tayo. Sana mahasa tayo sa pagpa-practice. Practice naman tayo ng maigi. Ang tanong nila is, yun ang pag-aralan natin. Yung tanong na, what is your weakness? Pag-aralan na naman natin yung sagot sa ngayon. Yung sagot natin, kung sakali ito yung tama, memorize naman natin. What is your weakness? My weakness is being crucial about myself. I sometimes doubt myself, but I overcome it by believing that is part of progress.